Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. We had some light night going on in the city, so we took time to enjoy the evening outside. There were a lot of street food sellers who were selling both English and Asian varieties of food. It was interesting to see them. There are some ancient churches in England which are open most of the time. You can walk in anytime and offer your prayers. They are really beautiful inside, massive, and the architecture also is simple and really beautiful. After the church, we dropped in to have pizzas at Pizza Express. After the night out, when we came back, we bought this chicken. It was cooked one. They normally cooked it in butter, salt, and I don't know what all they added, but it was really tasty. You can just have it directly or with roti and bun. It's cooked well, and when served hot, it's really tasty. After having outside snacks, next day I thought of making egg bhajis. So for that I took cumin seeds, red chili powder, ajwain, turmeric, and also ginger, garlic, green chili and onions and made them into fine paste. I also boiled eggs and cut them into pieces. And later I took the basin flour, added little salt to it. I'm making only 4 egg bhajis, so if you cut them, you get 8 pieces. That should be all right for my small family. I also added little soda powder to that, and the paste which I made from that onions, ginger, garlic, and stuff. I'm adding to this. Onions, even if they are not finely pasted, it's fine if it's crushed because you're deep frying it, it will taste good. So once the paste is made well, leave it aside for some time and then take a pan and add some oil to that. Once the oil is ready, now you can dip the eggs and deep fry them. You can take more oil in the pan if you're making much quantity, but I don't want to waste the oil, so I took medium oil. Once you see them turning into golden brown, just turn them both the sides and let the batter get cooked properly. Eggs are already cooked, so we don't have to worry about it. Once the batter also get cooked and it becomes golden brown, we can just take them and serve them. Once the egg bhajis were ready, I started making saffron tea. So for that I took some water and added little milk to that. Just making 2 cups of tea. So little milk is enough. I always add 2 different flavors of tea. I don't know, somehow I'm not convinced with one flavor. Uh, One has got good flavor and the other one has got some nice color to that. So I add 2 different flavors. And once the tea was getting ready, I added little cardamom powder to that. This is a new Spanish saffron which I bought recently. I tried it earlier, it was good. So I added little in the cups first. Later I added tea to that. They say saffron is good for health and memory, etc. I keep giving even Aryan now and then. I add sometimes in pulavs and rice, other bread toast as I showed you in my earlier videos. It's good if you take saffron now and then. I like to have bubbles in my tea or coffee, whatever I have, so I beat it once in another glass. That's Kerala style actually. You can try, it's nice. So our evening snack with egg bhajis and saffron tea was ready.